crafts at all. Today, I thought I would bring to you the recipes that I had shared on my video from the fall recipe swap hosted by Crafty Crafts by Dean Swaps and stuff. I had a request that if I would share my recipes. So this was the only way I knew how. So I thought I'd just kind of flash them up here, whatever, and you could either screen capture them or write them down, whatever you would like to do. Um, so this one is the Copycat Applebee's Fiesta Line Chicken, and it's very good and tasty. It's a little lengthier recipe, but it's pretty good. The next one is the Friendship Tea. This one I do cut down for, like, if I just want it for around the house, I'll cut it down. Now if I'm giving it as gifts, I'll either, use this recipe, or you can double it, triple it, whatever you'd like to do. This is the Pecan Cobbler. And it's really good. I really enjoy it, and I have to watch my sugar intake, but I get a little taste. This is the sausage penne pasta. This one's very, very good. You can do it, it's very versatile. If you don't like sweet peppers, don't add them in. If you don't like onions, don't add them in. Sometimes I'll add shrimp with it. Or if I don't have broccoli, I won't add it. Sometimes I'll add mushrooms if I have them. It's very versatile. You can add and take away whatever you would like. Even the half and half, you could use milk if you wanted to. If you didn't have the half and half, and might reduce your milk just a little bit. But or if you have heavy cream, you can use heavy cream. Maybe add a little water to it to thin it down, or some milk. It's very good. This is the creamy roasted chicken tortilla soup. This one's really, really good. I love it. Now, I usually don't have Mexican oregano, so I will just use the regular oregano. Cilantro, I don't care for it, so I don't add it. To me, it tastes like soup. Cayenne pepper, use your discretion. This calls for 1/8 of a teaspoon. I just put a pinch because we don't like ours really spicy. Another shortcut is it says a pound of chicken roasted and shredded. Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, Kroger, those kind of grocery stores or stores carry the rotisserie chickens already cooked. So there's a little bit of a time saver. You can get those and shred those and use those. So guys, that is the recipes that I had sent to my swap partner, Debbie. And I had a request if I would share them. So here you guys go. So everyone, take care, stay safe. Remember, I love each and every one of you. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.